Good morning, children. Welcome to math session. Now, children, in our previous session we did division of addition, correct, and subtraction also, and we finished division mental maths also. So today we will be doing mental maths formative, because you are having your mental maths formative, okay, exam. So for that I have given you a practice in this video that which questions will be asked or can be asked in mental maths formative, okay. So I will give you 10 questions in the mental maths formative exam. I am going to repeat that 10 questions. One question I will repeat 3 times and you have to write the answer in a paper, okay, and then you have to make the PDF of that paper and you have to send me the image in Google Classroom. So today we will be doing mental maths formative practice. This questions will be asked, this type of questions will be asked in your mental maths formative, okay, which you are having on 15, correct? So we will start with our mental maths formative revision. Question number 1. What is the answer obtained by adding two numbers known as? I repeat, what is the answer obtained by adding two numbers known as? Now, what is the answer, children, when we add two numbers and after adding that two numbers, the answer that we get, what is that answer known as? Sum, correct. The answer obtained by adding two numbers is known as sum, and the answer obtained by subtracting two numbers is known as difference. The answer obtained by multiplying two numbers is known as product. So the first thing, when we add, the answer that we get after adding two numbers, that is known as sum. When we subtract, the answer that we get after subtracting two numbers, that is known as difference. When we multiply, the answer that we get after multiplying two numbers is known as product. Understood? Now, which operation will you use to find the cost of one thing? Now, children, you are having 5 books with you and you want the cost of one book. So, which operation will you use? Operation means method. Division, subtraction, multiplication, addition. In this four operation, which operation or which method will you use to find the cost of one thing? If we want to find the cost of one thing, which operation we are going to use? Are we going to use addition? Are we going to use subtraction? Are we going to use division, or are we going to use multiplication? We are going to use division. So which operation will we use to find the cost of one thing? Division. Which operation will you use to find the cost of one thing? Division. Which operation will you use to find the cost of one thing? Division. Understood? Question number 3. What will you do if a number cannot be subtracted from a given number? I repeat, what will you do if a number cannot be subtracted from a given number? Now, suppose any number is given to you and we cannot subtract that number. What we do? Suppose a smaller number we have to subtract from a bigger number. And so smaller number cannot be subtracted from a bigger number, correct? So what we do when we subtract smaller number from a bigger number? We borrow. What we do? We borrow. If a number cannot be subtracted from a given number, what we are going to do? We borrow. Okay. So what will you do if a number cannot be subtracted from a given number? We borrow. Now question number 4. 429 minus 233. Children, when this type of questions are asked, now it will be asked in mental maths. So what you are going to do is, you can solve it in the side of your paper, in which paper you are going to write that mental maths answers, and no need to write the question, children. You are just going to write the answer. I will present you the question, you will read the question and you will solve that and you will write the answer. Now like this type of question is there, now you will not be able to solve it on your finger, correct? So what you will do is you will solve aside beside your page, nearby any paper on that particular paper, and then you can write your answer. So we can also solve this. 429 minus 233. So 9 minus 3 will be after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So we got our answer 6. Now here is 2 children. See, here 2 is a smaller number, so it cannot be subtracted from the given number. So what we will do? We will borrow. From where we will borrow? We will borrow from 4. And 4 we will make 3, and I borrowed 1 from 4, so my 2 will become 12. Now I can subtract 12 minus 3. So after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 minus 3 is 9. 3 minus 2 will be 1. So when I subtract 429 minus 233, I get my answer 196. Understood how you are going to solve during mental maths test? Okay. Question number 5. If there are 23 children in one row, how many children are there in 3 rows? Now, if there are 23 children in one row, children, here it is written rows, but you write row, okay? It is one, na? So it will be row, not rows. By mistake, it is written rows. So you write rows. If there are 23 children in one row, how many children are there in 3 rows? Now, how you are going to find out this? In one row, there are 23 children. How you are going to find out that how many children are there in 3 rows? What you are going to do is, you are going to multiply this 23 into 3. So 3 3s are will be, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. 2 3s are, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So what is your answer? 69. So if there are 23 children in one row, wait. If there are 23 children in one row, how many children are there in 3 rows? There are 69 children. Okay. How many children are there in 3 rows? 69 children. Understood? Next. Question number 6. What is the answer obtained by dividing two number known as? What is the answer obtained by dividing two number known as? Now children, the answer obtained by multiplying two number is known as product. The answer obtained by adding two number is known as sum. The answer obtained by subtracting two number is known as difference. And the answer obtained by dividing two number is known as quotient. What it is known as? Quotient. And what is the spelling of quotient? Quotient. Children, your spelling also should be correct if you are writing addition, if you are writing answer subtraction, if you are writing quotient, division. This all spelling should be correct. If spelling wrong, I will give whole answer wrong. Spelling wrong means answer wrong. I will not consider any half marks, 1/4, nothing. Spelling wrong means your answer is wrong. Okay. So the answer obtained by dividing two number is known as quotient. Question number 7. What is the product of 20 and 8? What is the product of 20 and 8? Now product means, children, the answer that is obtained by multiplying two numbers. So let us multiply and see what answer or what product we are getting. 20 multiplied by 8. Now 0 8s are will be 0. 2 8s are, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16. So what is the product of 20 and 8? 160. What is the product of 20 and 8? 160. Now children, whenever it is asked what is the product of, like suppose your number 20 and 60, if any other number is there and in the question it is asked product, that means you need to multiply. If it is asked what is the product, that means that both the numbers had to be multiplied to get the answer. Now the answer which I got 160, that is the product of 20 and 80. Okay, 20 and 8, sorry. Now 36 divided by 6. Question number 8. 36 divided by 6. Now let us divide and see. 6, 36. Smaller number will be outside and 36 bigger number will be always inside. Now we have to say the table of 6 till we get our answer 36. So 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36. So we are getting our answer 6. 6 6s are, we will write here 36. Now we will subtract 6 minus 6 0 and 3 minus 3 is 0. So our quotient is what? 6 and our remainder is 0. So what is our answer? The quotient is our answer. So what answer we get when we divide 36 divided by 6? We get our answer 6 because 6 6 are 36. So 36 divided by 6 is 6. Question number 9. If rupees 200 is divided among 10 boys, if rupees 200 is divided among 10 boys, how much money does each boy get? Now children, I am having 200 rupees, okay? And I want to divide it into 10 boys. Equally I want to divide in among that 10 boys. So how much money does each child will get? How I will get my answer? I will divide. Wait, I'll show you how. I will divide this 10 by 20. Okay. So 10 ones are 10, 200. 10 ones are 10 and 10 twos are will be 20. So now I will subtract. I got my quotient 2. Now 20 by 20 I subtracted. Now this 0 is remained. So I will put this 0 up and this 0 here down also. Understood? Because that 0 is left, I'll put that 0 next to 2. So 10 20s will become 200. Understood? So how much money does each boy get? Rupees 20. Each boy will get 20 rupees. So 10, if I divide into 10 boys, 200. So each boy will get rupees 20. Understood? Now question number 10. 135 plus 176. Let us add and see. 135 plus 176. Now 5 plus 6. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So for 11 I will write 1 here and 1 I will carry over on 3, that is in tens place. 3 plus 1 will be 4. To that 4 I will add 7 more. So after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So again my answer 11. So for 11 I will write 1 here and 1 again I will carry over on 1 in hundreds place. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3. So I get my answer 311. So when I add 135 plus 176, I get my answer 311. So with this children, I finish my today's session of mental maths formative. 10 questions I have given you children. This is a revision. This is a format in which your formative questions will be asked. Not that particular same questions will be asked, or maybe some questions will be asked from this, but you need to practice this. What you will do is you will write this question in your maths notebook, okay? In maths classwork, what you are going to do from the first question. Wait, I'll show you from where you are going to write and what topic you are going to give. You are going to write the heading, What heading you will give? Mental maths formative. Write today's date and give the heading as mental maths formative. Okay. After that, write the first question, then the first answer. Children, here you can continue as many pages as you need for writing this. No need to write one or two questions and in one page. You can continue. So you will write question answer till question 10. Our last question is question 10. Wait, I'll show you. Yes, till here you will write your mental maths formative. Okay. So with this, children, we finish our today's session. See you in the next session. Till then, keep learning and keep practicing. And practice this question, and children, whatever mental maths I have done in the videos, that also you need to see. Any questions will be asked from the 4 lesson, that is 10, 11, 12 and 13. From that 4 lesson, in any question I can ask you as a test. I have given you mental maths video also, mental maths 10, mental maths 11, mental maths 12 and mental maths 13 video. Plus I have given you today this mental maths formative. So these 5 videos you are going to watch before the formative exam starts. Okay children, I want you all to get full marks in your formative. Okay, bye children, take care.